Hey Benchwarmer fans, Tone here, going to do another bots break of 2010 Benchwarmer Bolt. I believe this is bots number 9 now, so wish me luck. Or number 10. Is it number 10? Yeah, number 10. So bots number 10, wish me luck. This is another very light bots. So no heavy boxes in this case, they're all light boxes. Alright, let's see what kind of bots we get here. We got a good bots. We got a light bots, but it's a good bots. It's Benchwarmer Gold. Awesome. Benchwarmer Gold. That's a good bots. And here's our pack. It's a very thin pack again. So it's probably a kiss card again. Alright, wish me luck. Hopefully we get some good stuff. At least hopefully we get some number stuff. Okay. Like I said, we're going to probably be getting a lot of duplicates. Our first card is our Halloween card. It's Renee Stone. Second time we hit this one. Next we got Miriam Gonzalez Bulk card. She looks hot in this picture. Miriam Gonzalez. Looks really hot. Oops. Awesome card. Next is our schoolgirl card. It's Michelle Baina. It's Smudge. The autograph is Smudge. There's the back to that. Awesome back. There's ink here too. Alright, we got a huge hit right now. It's not a number, but it's a huge hit because it's a very popular girl. It's Sarah Underwood. Awesome. Awesome hit. Sarah Underwood. Awesome. This is from 2007 Benchwarmer International. Set of 24, this is card number 2. Great hit. Awesome. And now we have a second Michelle Baina card. Our commemorative card from Comic-Con. And there's the back to that. And our kiss card is Melissa Taylor. I actually have this one already. And there's the back to that. Set of 12, this is number 7. Alright, there you have it. 2010 Benchwarmer Ball. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube.